Namaste. I, JVN Sheetal Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University and Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So, this is the continuation topic of the previous drug-drug interaction, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic of the unit 2. So, the pharmacodynamics. So, in the previous topic, we have covered the pharmacokinetic interaction, and now we will see the pharmacodynamic interaction. As in the previous, we have covered the definition of interaction, and we also know the definition of pharmacodynamic and kinetic. So now start from the first, like it means alteration of the drug action without change in its serum concentration by the pharmacokinetic factor. They occur when the effect of a drug are changed due to presence of another drug at its site of action, either directly on the same receptor or indirectly on different receptors. Such interaction may be direct or indirect. These are of two types. First, direct pharmacodynamic interaction. Second, indirect pharmacodynamic interaction. Direct interaction is additive effect like 1 plus 1 is 2, and synergetic effect, as we know 1 plus 1 is greater than 2. Then the potential effect is 1 plus 0 is equal to 2, and antagonist is 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is how the direct interaction is take place. So let's see that some definition, or we must revise some definition like antagonism. The interacting drug have opposing action. For example, acetylcholine and non-adrenaline have opposite effect on heart rate. Now the addition, in the addition, the interacting drug have similar action and the resultant effect is the same of individual drug response. For example, CNS represent like sedative and hypnotics. Then the synergium effect, it is enhancement of action of one drug by another. For example, alcohol enhances the analgesic activity of aspirin. So this is how they act. Now the indirect interaction. In this, both the object and the precipitant drug have unrelated effect, but the later in some way altered the effect, but later in some way altered the effect of the former also. So some example in this indirect interaction are salicylate decrease the ability of the platelets to aggregate, thus impair the homeostasis if the warfarin induced bleeding occurs. Now the herbal drug interaction. So there are herbal drug interaction also. Some drugs are also interact with our drug. Now the food drug interaction. The triamine rich food, for example, cheese, liver, yeast product, and MAO inhibitor like phenyl etc., lead fatal risk of hypertensive crisis, enhanced metabolism. Tetracycline or fluoroquinolone are like ciprofloxacin with antacid or food contain divalent ion lead to the formation of poorly soluble chelates or the complex which cannot be absorbed. Now the grapefruit juice and the terfenadine are the best example. And next is the grapefruit juice and the cyclosporin. grapefruit juice, and the phenoldiphine. Grapefruit contain the coumarin compound, and that can selectively inhibit CYP3A4. So the licorice contain the glycyrrhizin or glycyrrhizanic acid. Glycyrrhizanic acid is hydrolyzed in the intestine to pharmacologically active compound glyceratic acid, which inhibit 11 beta hydroxysteroids dehydrogenase, and this increase the cortisol in the kidney and act as aldosterone, fluid retain, hypokalemia, hypertension. And the example in this is licorice and antihypertensive. Now the patient in high risk of drug interaction. Polypharmacy people means elders, hepatic disorder, renal disorder, and genetic factor having the high risk of drug interaction. Now, the consequences of drug interaction. The consequences of drug interaction may be major life-threatening, moderate deterioration of the patient status, minor light effect, little effect. Now, reducing the risk of drug interaction. First, identifying the patient risk factor. Second, take through the drug history. Third, be knowledge about the action of drug being used. Fourth, consider therapeutic alternatives. Fifth, avoid complex therapeutic regimen with possible. Six, educate the patient. And seven, monitor therapy. So these are the reducing the risk of drug interaction. There are some online drug interaction checker is also there. You can use that. There are some apps are also there which you can easily use. Now, as we know, the drug interaction refer to the modification of response to one drug by another when they are administered intravenously or in quick succession. One should be vigilant about the drug-drug interaction, drug-herbal interaction, food-drug interaction, big environmental interaction, drug pollutant interaction. So mainly the drug interaction is broadly divided into pharmaceutical interaction, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. So pharmaceutical interaction during the doses form preparation at the time of administration, dissolving the drug in the solvent and mixing the drug in the powder, solution or injection form. Pharmacokinetic is ADME, absorption, complex or chelate formation, altered stomach pH, ionization, GIT motility, and first pass metabolism. Distribution in the protein binding and metabolism, enzyme induced inhibition, excretion, altered pH, ionization, and enterohepatic recirculation. Pharmacodynamic, all receptor or tissue level interaction is included in the pharmacodynamic. So the drug interaction before the administration. Certain drugs react with each other and get inactivated if their solution is mixed before administration. In practice, this situation, These in vitro interaction occur when injectable drugs are mixed in the same syringe or in infusion bottle. Some examples are penicillin G or ampicillin mixed with gentamicin or another aminoglycoside antibiotics. Then the other example is thiopental sodium when mixed with succinyl chloride or morphine. Heparin when mixed with penicillin, gentamicin and hydrocortisone. Not all patients taking interaction drug experience adverse consequence, but it is advisable to take due prescription to avoid the mishaps in all cases where the interaction are possible. Two drugs having the potential in interact does not essentially contraindicated their concurrent use. In many cases, knowledge of nature and mechanism of possible interaction may permit their concurrent use, provided appropriate dose adjustments are made or other corrective measures are taken. So in the excretion, interaction involving during the excretion are important, mostly in cases of drug activities, secretion by tubular transport mechanism, and the alteration of urine pH alter the process of reabsorption of the drug, leading to increase or decrease excretion. Probenecid inhibit the tubular secretion of penicillin and cephalosporin. Aspirin block the uric action of probenecin and decrease the tubular secretion of methotrexate. Alkalization of urine increase the excretion of barbiturates. So these are the some pharmacokinetic interaction, and previously we have studied the pharmacodynamic interaction. So let's revise the pharmacodynamic interaction once again. These interaction mainly derived from the modification of the action of one drug at the target site by another drug, dependence of a change in its concentration. These This may result in an enhanced response and an abnormal response. So let's see some example like excessive sedation, respiratory depression, motor incoordination due to the concurrent administration of benzodiazepine or diazepine. A sedating antihistaminic is promethazine, a neuroleptic, chlorpromazine, and opioid is morphine. So the excessive fall in BP and fatigue during the concurrent administration of alpha-1 adrenergic blocker, vasodilator, and ACE inhibitor, high ceiling diuretic, and cardiac depression. Excessive platelets inhibition result in bleeding due to stimulus use of aspirin, tricloropamide, and clopidogrel and carbicillin. Increased risk of bleeding due to concurrent use of antiplatelet drug like aspirin and anticoagulant is warfarin. Abnormal response sometimes result from pharmacodynamic interaction between certain drugs. Mechanism may be explainable or unexplainable. For example, metronidazole and cifeparazole inhibit the enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase, resulting in Bayes distressing symptom if the patient drink alcohol. the basis of certain interaction is not explained. For example, the ampicillin has produced high incidence of skin rashes in the patient treated with allopurinol. So this is all about the interaction. So it is a prudent to consider the possibility of the drug interaction whenever cause or more drugs are prescribed to a patient or any drug is added to what the patient is already taken. So this is the here we have done the interaction. The question which are important are what is pharmacokinetic drug-drug interaction and give the pharmacodynamic drug-drug interaction. These two questions you have to prepare. Thank you and namaste.